Asai Wal Manipur observed World Mental Health Day 2020 at Kongampad yesterday. Clinical psychologists Miranda Yendrambam, Pampa Kumukcham and Jebina Ngarengbam took part in the program. Skill activities, meditation and other recreational activities were the main highlights of the event. Vision Kurai felicitated 4 position holders of Class 12 Examination 2020 during a function at the residence of social worker Khagopam Khamba. Vision Kurai advisors RK Jilasabha, TH Manibabu and several others attended the program. BJP Manipur Pradesh Medical Cell today organized an awareness program on COVID-19 and malaria at Yengkhomang village of Imphal East. The program was attended by cell convener Dr. Khetrimayum Kala, doctors, nurses and other health workers. India's coronavirus caseload surge passed the 7 million mark with 74,383 new cases were reported in the country in the last 24 hours, while the total number of recoveries 2.6 million. The country is the second worst hit nation in terms of COVID-19 cases after the US, while it is in the third spot in terms of fatalities globally after the US and Brazil. More than 1 lakh people in the country have died from the coronavirus infection so far. The coronavirus recovery rate in Manipur has improved to 78.71% in the last 24 hours. A total of 255 persons were infected with COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total tally to 13,092. On the other hand, 440 patients were discharged. Manipur now has 2,608 active cases, while 10,306 individuals have been recovered from the contagion so far. Yesterday, the disease claimed 2 more lives in Manipur, taking the death toll to 88. Union Minister of State for Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Dr. Jitendra Singh said the interview for central government jobs have been abolished in 23 states and 8 union territories of India. According to media reports, the Union Minister said this is a follow-up to the abolition of interview for Group B, non-gazetted and Group C posts in the central government ever since 2016. A moderate magnitude of 5.3 earthquake jolted Manipur late last night. The earthquake was felt in many parts of the state, including capital Imphal. According to India's National Centre for Seismology, the epicenter of the earthquake was 30 km west-northwest of Bishnupur district. The earthquake struck at 11:08 p.m. Indian Standard Time at a depth of 5 km from the surface. However, no casualty or damage of properties were reported.